Hello children, again I am here to teach you social studies. So children, in this video we will be doing the word meanings, the revision of word meanings and some questions which I can give you in the half yearly exam. So let's start with the revision part 1. So already I have told you that from this book, this one question from chapter number 1 and 2, no question answer you have to learn, only the exercise you have to learn. And from these 3 chapters you have to learn fully the word meanings, the choose the correct answers, true, false, fill in the blanks, question answers, everything. So let's start with the first thing, that is the word meanings, because the word meanings are too long. So that's why I am giving you few word meanings. You will revise that only for your exam. So take a pencil and your CW copy and copy down this in your CW. So first one, the word meanings are, there are few word meanings I have taken out. So please write down and learn and write two times in your CW copy so that you will be able to learn this. First is antiseptic. Second is gauze, G-A-U-Z-E. Third is bleeding. Fourth is means. The next is the cruel. Sixth is the excess. Seventh is the dependent. Eighth is the service. Ninth is hazard. 10th is the disposal. And 11th is the occupation. Come to the next page. 12th number is raised. 13 is ties. 14 is bonded. 15 is tiring. 16 is dignity. Now this time few questions are there which are given on page number 55 and 75. I will show you, because from these 3 questions any 2 will come in the half yearly exam. Let me show you. Take out page number 55. See, can you see this? Study the picture and answer the following questions that follow. Now this picture, I will give you this picture and the questions which are given in the book. Nothing will come extra, only which are given. So don't think that this picture thing will not come in the exam. First this one is there, then come on to the page number 75. In page number 75 also you can see some symbols are there, and what you have to do, look at the picture, identify the traffic signal symbols, and you have to write the names. So this can also come. There are 3 kinds of pictures, page number 55, then page number 75 this, and the third picture is this one. And these are the 2 questions which are given. So from these 3 any 2 will come. Got it children? So please learn this very well. Don't make any mistakes in writing. Your writing should be very much clean, neat and tidy paper should be there. No spelling mistake will be there. And one thing children, I want to tell you, when you are learning these fill in the blanks, please learn the spelling, because in the first unit test you have learned the spelling but you have not learned the spelling and you have written like this only, and it was very difficult for me for checking. So that's why this time I am again telling you, please learn the spelling while you are writing in the fill in the blanks, because there is only one word to write and then also you are writing the wrong thing, then I will cut the half mark. Got it children? And when you are learning the question answers also, please learn it, write and learn, so that you will be able to see that what mistake you are doing. Got it? So for this we will do only this much only, that is part 1. We have done the word meanings and the things which are given. So please learn this. In the next video I will give you the next part of the thing, that is the question answers in the part 2 revision I will give you. For question answers I will give you. Got it, children? Okay. Till then, thank you and have a nice day. Hello children, once again I am here to teach you social studies. So let's get started with part 2, revision part 2. Due to some technical reasons, part 1 was not uploaded on Friday. So this is the part 1 and part 2, both the revision part of social studies. In part 1, I have given you the word meanings and these few questions which are related to that pictures given on page number 55 and 75. So this is the most important part, please do it. And the revision number 2, that is the question answers part. So please learn the question answers, whatever I am giving you in the revision of part 1 and part 2. So we'll start with first one. Question number 1, what is first aid? Then question 2 is, what do different colors of traffic signals indicate? What first aid should we give in case of burn? How can we make our grandparents feel loved? Next, how should we treat someone in our class who is different? Next one, mention 2 ways of helping a child coming from a needy family. And next, who are community helpers? Question number 8, name some community helpers. How does a teacher educate the nation? And the last question is, what is the role of a firefighter? So these are few questions which I have given you so that you can write and learn everything, whatever revision I am giving you in your CW copy. And whatever I have given you, please write and learn. Why I am telling you to write and learn? Because you make the mistakes while writing this. In first unit test also you have made the mistake of spelling mistakes. In first unit test I have not cut the marks, but in the half yearly I will cut the marks because these spellings are most important one. So please don't make any spelling mistakes, especially in the exercise part also. Fill in the blanks. What you do is, there is only one blank to write, and in that blank also you do the spelling mistakes. So this time I will cut the marks for spelling mistakes. So please be ready for that. So this is revision number part 1 and part 2 for you. Please do the thing nicely, write and learn all the things in your CW copy and write well. Now in the next part, we will be in part 3 revision, we will be doing all the exercises, the choose the correct answers, match the following, whatever is there in the exercise part, we will be doing that. So till then, take care and have a nice day.